Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel. How are you doing today? I am barefaced today because I just got home from work. And guess what was here when I got home from work? A box of goodies. Now this is just part one. So far I have 3 orders in that are coming. And shh, don't tell my husband. So this is just my first of several orders, and I just wanted to show y'all what I got. So we're gonna start with, I literally have not even like touched anything in this box yet. Like I still have my orders in there. My sample that I chose that I actually got was this little Nest perfume sample. The sample that I got that I didn't choose was a little Shiseido. Is that it? Shiseido? I don't know how to pronounce that brand name, but a Visionary Gel Lipstick sampler. And like a couple of pinks and a couple of reds. There. I don't really like those kinds of samples, so I don't know if I'm going to use that one. Okay, let's get to the actual stuff that I bought that I paid money for. So I got the Better Together Brow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It comes with like a Brow Wiz pencil and a brow gel. Clear brow gel, and this set is only $1 more than just the pencil alone. So I was like, I'm gonna, you know, pay an extra $1, or it might even be the same price. Either way, I'm either getting the same price or paying $1 more for the pencil and getting a brow gel with it. Fuck-wise. So it's a normal Brow Wiz, and I don't know if this is full size or mini size. Probably mini size, but yeah. I also got, for, you know, on the same topic, I got an Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in medium brown. It's also the shade I got my pencil in because that's what shade my eyebrows are, is medium brown. So here's that. Yeah. I didn't think that I liked brow pomades very much until I got my Mellow Cosmetics brow pomade, and I was like, you know what? My brows look pretty good when I use this, so I bought an Anastasia one. Okay, this was a suggestion from Nicole Concilio, so I decided to get this based on her suggestion. I got the Milk Makeup Flex Highlighter in Blitzed. Let's see, can I open this right now? No, I can't. Good thing I have scissors on hand. Okay, here she is, just a round pan. Comes with a protector. She's sparkly. Let's give her a swatchy swatch. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. It's kind of like a champagne-y, peachy champagne-y kind of color. I like that. It is pretty glittery though. I'm not much of a glittery highlight kind of person, but this one's a nice balance of sparkly and shiny. I like it. Okay, keeping on the highlight train. So I already have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlight in Snow, and I really love that highlight. I love how it applies. I didn't think I would, but I do. So I went and I got the shades Peach Fizz and Vegas. So Peach Fizz, it looked like it would be good on, like it's dark. It looks like it'll be really good on darker skin tones, but I did see some reviews from lighter skin tones that loved it. So I'm gonna give it a shot. If I apply it lightly enough, there we go, that's words, it will look really nice. And then I can also, I'm guessing I can probably use it on some of my darker skin tone friends. And then here's what Vegas looks like. Vegas is like a lighter champagne-y gold shade. Okay, moving on. I got, you know, these Natasha Denona palettes. Come very well packaged. So it comes in like a box. big ass box. And then it has this like cardboard to its unit carton, which is a nice unit carton. So I got the Safari matte palette. It's on sale, and I love these shades. So it's just a plastic case, so it feels expensive. It feels like a nice plastic case. Okay, it does not have a screen protector. Who am I? This one did not come with a protector. Like, look at those shades. I love them, and all mattes. Oh my gosh, I've been the matte queen lately. I just love me some mattes. So I'm really excited about this palette. I cannot wait to do a look with it for you guys. Okay, moving on to skincare. I have heard a lot of good things about the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. Right now I use the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution, and I think that's just a little harsh for my skin. So I wanted something a little gentler, and I've heard lots of good things about this, and it is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Oh, that's not how we fold that back in. That is. And then I also got a couple of Tatcha minis. These were like $20 a piece for one of these. So I got the Dewy Skin Cream in a mini because I want to try it before I buy it full size. And well, stores are closed right now, so I can't go get a sample. It's not like all the way full, but whatever, I got an air bubble. Cry about it, right? Okay, and then the water cream. This one also has an air bubble, so it just must be how they fill their containers. Yeah, so that's that. Click up here if you want to see another unboxing video. Click down here to subscribe to me before you go. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.